Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, I just wanted to go over, we're getting ready to send out some mile marker, newer hubs, model 549s, stainless steel jobs for the 2005 and up Fords, running the Super 60. Of course, the Ford lockers work fine. They've been out for, long time. They've been out for 15 years now. Of course, they've got a plastic cage. This is, slides right down in there. Simple enough. But, they do have their drawbacks. They're a factory design. Yeah, they've got some plastic. Yeah, is that a really big deal? Well, it's up to you. When something is completely encased in a great big old cage, that's neither here nor there. But what I will tell you about is we have always, well, no, not always, for a long time we've used our mile marker hubs, because when I did come out with the hubs for the Dodges, I used those Warrens. That's what I was familiar with. That's what I grew up with in the 80s, so we went with those first. And then in short order, less than a year, we went off to the mile markers. They're just so damn beefy. This is all billet stuff. They typically don't use any plastic in their designs. And now, friends, look at this new Ford unit. And it's like a bulletproof and idiot-proof. So here you go. So here's your hub, like be your Ford hub, or this is now your Dodge hub, right? So there's your thrust bushing in. Of course, that goes in first. Part number one. I mean, man, they have really made this thing user-friendly. So, just drop it in. There you go. Drop in a spring. There you go. See that? Did you see these things, guys? I mean, come on now. If that ain't bulletproof, that's about as good as you gonna get. Anything more, you just asking for trouble. You're gonna start breaking shit you don't want to break. You used to tell people all the time, you know what? I want my U-joints to break. I sure do. I'd rather have my U-joints break than rip a stub shaft axle out and the yoke and the knuckle and everything else. So, it's supposed to break in the right place. There you go, my friends. I put in 3 pieces. This is stainless steel, marine grade. The action on it is unbelievably smooth, and you've got this big old opening for your paw. Get your whole paw up in there instead of just a finger. Yeah, you see that right there? There you go, assembled. So, put your gasket on. And of course you've got your 6 Allens. 532s, and screw it on down. And here's what you get. Aren't they beautiful? I think they're absolutely gorgeous. They are absolutely badass. Flat, stainless steel. I mean, these things are really, really impressive. Really impressive. I haven't seen any machine work, stuff like this, except for the kind of stuff we do. So, there you go, OEM, and there's the mile marker. Look at those drive discs, golly. Man, That shit's impressive. Anyway, you can upgrade to these. We've got them in our spline, and I'll show you something else too. So, you see this, folks, right here? I went ahead and bolted it up, put it on there. Because I like to just go like that. I like the easy stuff. Used to not like the easy stuff. Used to like everything real hard, but not anymore. Watch. Slid right in there, didn't it? Look at that. Look at this. Get your paw in there. There you go. Locked down. There you go. Alright, boys and girls, be good. Happy four-wheeling. And check out some mile markers. 549 Super 60s. Ram Man out.